Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Eva and today I'm going to show you how I styled my Christmas tree or how I decorated my home for Christmas this year. So thank you so much for joining this video. Let's get to decorating. I hope that this season brings you a lot of joy, a lot of peace and happiness. Christmas is one of my most wonderful times of the year. I just love Christmas. I love December. I decorate my homes very early. I take my trees down mid-February, and why not? I mean, the Christmas spirit lives on. So welcome to the video, and let's see how I styled my home this Christmas. So I started by looking for my decorations. I usually store them well. Previous year, the tree is still in the box. After unboxing, I removed the Christmas tree and assembled it. It comes into 3 parts. And now the tree was up. I fluffed it and it's looking very nice. As you can see, ready for decoration. I will start by putting on the lights, and once the lights are in place, then I can go into the other details. So the lights look like that, and the tree is already looking very nice. And now we put up all the other decorations at the tree, and then we can see how it turned up. The tree is looking really nice. Now when you're decorating and unboxing the Christmas tree, there's usually a lot of shading from the tree, but lucky for me, I have my iROBOT. It's a robot cleaner. Till vacuuming for me the floors as I do my thing, and it is taking care of my floors to make sure that I'm left with a very clean house after I have done my Christmas decorations. The trees can really be a mess, and this really helps me when it comes to vacuuming and making sure that my space is always neat and clean. So after I'm done, this is what I did. I put a gallard on my door arc, looking very nice. That's how it looks like. I went with very minimal decorations. My tree is also looking awesome. Not many colors, just a gold and silver. And for my TV mantle, I went with very muted decorations, just a gallard and some balls.